In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how long you gotta wait for concrete to fully cure before you can start putting heavy stuff on it in your DIY project so you don't mess it up. Alright, so concrete curing time is super important if you want your project to last and not crack or crumble under pressure. Usually, concrete hits about 70% of its full strength after like 7 days, but it really takes around 28 days to fully cure and be ready for heavy use like driving on it or placing big furniture. You want to keep it moist during that time too, because drying out too fast can cause cracks or weak spots. Just spray it with water a few times a day or cover it with a wet cloth if you're working in hot weather. Also, avoid putting any weight or stress on the concrete for at least a week if possible, especially stuff that's heavy or vibrates, like machinery or vehicles. If you rush things and try to use the concrete too soon, you're risking damage that could cost you way more to fix later. Temperature plays a role too. If it's cold outside, curing takes longer, so plan your timing based on your local climate. And if you're using special types of concrete mixes, like fast-setting ones, they might be ready sooner but still follow the manufacturer's instructions just to be safe. Lastly, patience is key here, because letting that concrete cure properly means your project will stand strong for years. One of the biggest mistakes people make with concrete curing is assuming it's ready as soon as it looks dry on the surface. That's just the outside drying, but the inside could still be soft and weak. Another common issue is not keeping the concrete moist during curing, which leads to cracks and weak spots that ruin the whole thing. And then there's rushing the process and putting heavy stuff on too early, which can cause permanent damage and make your DIY job look sloppy or unsafe. To fix these, just make sure you wait the full 28 days if you can, keep the surface damp while curing, and don't stress the concrete with heavy loads before it's ready. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks up homeowners like you with trusted local contractors who know their stuff and can help get projects done right. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, it's a great spot to find homeowners who need your skills and want someone reliable. If you want your concrete project to hold up long term, giving it enough curing time and care is seriously non-negotiable. You'll save yourself from headaches down the road for sure.